So, hi guys. Habang nag-i-scroll ako guys, nakita ko guys. Hey guys. So guys, habang nag-i-scroll ako guys, may nakita ako guys. So, tawa talaga ako ng tawa guys. I-reaction video natin guys. Ito pala yung ano guys, yung prank kay Niana guys. So, tara na guys, panoorin na natin.
This is let's go. Hold the smoke right through the window. Cause this is all we know.
Yan na.
Go, 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 go!
Ano?
Go!
Yan, video mo.
Oh my God! No, lock the door! No!
No. Ah!
Oh my freaking way! No way! It's so freaking It's so freaking loud! It's so freaking loud! I'm gonna cry! Oh, it's so freaking loud! Can you just close the door? Just keep on going! Just keep on going! Call the guard now, Buya! Call the guard now!
It's a prank! It's a prank!
So guys, dahil nga tawa ako ng tawa neto, gagawin ko siya ng sariling version ko. Go, 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 go! Oh my God! No!